Ikaw na lang mabayad. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Ano siya ma'am? Sige. Siya na lang tumabayad. Thank you. Taganta ni guys. Isang kaulan.
Hi guys, good morning. Kamusta ka mo guys? For today's video guys, mabiyahe naman Tagalay guys. Another day, another grind. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung pilagidayhan ang aton gina-income bilang isa ka freelance delivery rider. Tara guys, off din ako guys. Mabiyahe ta. Let's go.
Yun guys, we got our first booking of the day. 107 guys, time check 8:28 sa ngaga guys. Tara guys, off din ako guys. Pika-punta na ni guys.
Destination is on the right.
Maria ma'am. Sige ma'am. Ikaw na lang mabayad. Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Yun guys, to pick up na guys ang first booking ta guys. Sorry. 107 guys, biglaan ni ma'am 160. Yun. 107 lang guys. Kabuot kay ma'am. Biglaan niya ta 160 guys. Tara guys, rat-raton ta na ni guys for 7.4 kilometers. Pinyo ko guys, idolong ta ni. Let's go. Hello ma'am, good morning. Hi ma'am, halin kay ma'am Maria. Okay na ma'am, thank you. Yun guys, na-deliver ta na kali guys ang first booking ta guys. Mahulat-hulat ang tataton nga second booking. Tara, din lang ko guys. Yun guys, nakakuha na ta guys second booking guys. 184 guys, diri sa Dika Homes guys. Tara guys, katuan ta na guys, tika punta, let's go. Good morning. Morning ma'am. Ayun ma'am. Amala ni siya ma'am. Sige. Siya na lang tumabayad. Thank you. Yun guys, na pick up na gali guys ang ikaduwa nga booking guys for 12 kilometers guys, 184 from Dika Home South to O Residence Mantalagan guys. Tara guys, obtain nyo ko guys, delivered na. Let's go.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living.
Ay ma'am. Thank you ma'am. Okay na ni ma'am. 184 tigaan ma'am guys, 13. Yun. Yun guys, we got our third booking from Talisay guys, sa pick up. Tara guys, up to nyo po, pick up on the day, let's go. Sir, morning.
Ini scale nga. Sa guard house, boss. Thank you.
Sa ano din sa sir, sa Mercy. Yun guys, we got our third booking guys, 126 guys. Yung tagaan ni sir 140. 126 for 8.7 kilometers guys. Tara, i-deliver na namin guys, let's go. Sir, good morning. Mabilin lang po sir, yan ni Miss K. Thank you. Thank you sir. Yun guys, na-deliver na guys ang third booking guys. Grabe, gabi ng init guys. Guys, mangita lang ta, kahoy guys ng pasilungan guys ha. Natulat na ni booking guys. Nasutlan ta gali guys, booking guys 134. Apat ni guys nga booking guys. May COD siya na 620 guys. Tara guys, balagan ta na ni guys. Sir, warning. Ma-pick up lang, sir. Ah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Destination is on the right.
Morning. Sa City Heights, sir. Oo. Pick up na guys ang aton pang-apat ng booking guys. From Gold Trees Bata guys to Barangay Takuling City Heights guys. 134 for 9 kilometers. Tara guys, upin nyo ko. Let's go! Ay ma'am. Bali 754 ma'am. 754 tanan. Thank you ma'am. 750 790. Yun guys, naka-apat na tagali ka booking guys from 8 o'clock. Time check 12:04 na guys. Apat na taka oras guys sa biyahe guys. May apat man taka booking guys. Ang net income ko guys, apat ka booking guys. Ari pakita ko sa inyo guys in 4 hours guys. 459 guys. Bali ang gross yan na guys 551. May ano pa na guys, may commission nga 82 pesos. So guys, maulat-ulat na tadi booking guys. Ari tagali ko pasilong guys. Hey, grabe kita ng init. Samahan nyo lang ako guys. Antay lang tayo ng booking guys. Go. Yun guys, may nakuha tagali nga booking di guys sa Banago guys. 209 guys. Panglimatan ni siya nga booking guys. Time check is 1:34 na guys ng hapon guys. Tara guys, update nyo ko pick up on ni guys. Sir, kuhaan ko lang sir. Yun guys, na pick up na guys ang aton nga panglima nga booking guys. From Barangay Banago guys to Dika Home South guys. For 209 14 kilometers guys. Tara, yun ko guys, idulong na ni guys. Yun guys, na-drop na nagali guys ang ating delivery guys sa homes guys. 290 ko na nabidyohan guys. Kaya gulpi din nag-ulan guys. Tapos may nagsulod sa aton yung booking guys. Untawin kasubong guys for pick up sa Barangay Talok guys. Tara guys, update ako guys. Alaganta ni guys, isang ulan. Tara, ulan lang ni guys ya. Tamo ta malayran this coming end of the month. Tara guys, update ako, let's go! Woo! Ngayong hapon. Sa RDO SM na ma'am no? Okay. 170 guys from Barangay Talok to SM for 11 kilometers guys. Tara, Almera ma'am. Almera. Bali 170.
170.
Thank you ma'am. Sir, Maxim. Ang sa kape sir. Are, sir. Bali total 260 na siya sir ang kape. Bali 400 guys. Good evening guys. Time check 6:29 na guys. Pick up punta na guys. Alas booking na guys.
Tulong na guys ang aton nga last booking guys. Mapuli na ta guys. Ari guys, i-update ko sa inyo guys ang aton nga income guys from 8 o'clock. Time check is 6 sa gabi guys. Pakita ko sa inyo guys kung ilang na income ta sa 10 hours na nga biyahe guys.